Learn ICT with Amali's IT Classroom. Today I am going to explain more details about Internet. First of all, we'll see what are the services provided by the Internet. First one, World Wide Web. Second, File Transfer Protocol. Third, Email. Fourth, Video Conferencing. Fifth, File Transfer. Sixth, Telnet. Seventh, IP telephone, and the last one is IPTV. Now I am going to explain these services in detail. First one, IPTV. IPTV means Internet Protocol Television. Internet Protocol Television is the distribution of television content through Internet. Second one is File Transfer. File transfer is the transmission of a computer file from one computer system to another computer system. To do that, we use communication channels or communication medium. Communication medium means wired or unwired medium between the computer devices. For example, if it's a guided media, we have a cable. If it's an unguided media, we have a wireless medium. Third one is IP phone. IP phone uses Internet Protocol technology, making and transmitting phone calls throughout the Internet we known as IP phone. Example for VoIP calling is WhatsApp, Viber and Skype. Compare with the traditional telephone network, in here we'll be using Internet technologies to make the calls. Now the next one is video conferencing. A video conference is a live as well as visual connection occurring between two or more people, and they are living in separate locations. These days we'll be using different video conferencing, maybe for your learning, or maybe companies are using to have meetings. So we need different kind of devices as well as different kind of softwares. To do a video conferencing, we need a web camera. Then we need a device, computer or maybe a smartphone. Then we need internet connection. As well as we need good communication softwares. For example, we can use Zoom or Microsoft Teams or Skype likewise. The next one is File Transfer Protocol. The File Transfer Protocol is a standard network protocol that we use to transfer computer files between a server as well as a computer. So what do you mean by protocol? Protocol meaning as rules which governs the communication. So in Internet, we have different kind of protocols. What do you mean by a server? Server meaning a computer which provide a service. Then who are the clients? Clients meaning the computers which getting the service by a server. So in File Transfer Protocol, server is supporting to transfer files between clients. Then the next one is Telnet. Telnet also a protocol developed in 1969, and it providing a command line interface for communicating with a remote device or maybe a service. So what do you mean by a command line interface? Command line interface meaning it's just a screen with having commands. For example, if you consider Windows applications, in there you have icons, mouse, then you have menus. But in command line interface, the main device keyboard and only commands you should give. Now I am going to explain a major service which is known as World Wide Web or WWW. World Wide Web is a collection of websites or web pages which is stored in a web server, and these pages are connected with the client computers over the internet. And this World Wide Web was introduced by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. So he is the founder of World Wide Web as well as the World Wide Web Consortium. So World Wide Web Consortium is a corporation which giving web standards today. Now we'll see different kind of words which we use in World Wide Web. First one is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So HTTP is a protocol that we use to sharing files on the World Wide Web. Second one, a website. A website is a collection of pages or text documents. This page containing pictures, text, tables, audio, video, like different kind of contents. So this page is called as hypertext document. Then the first page of a website we called as home page. And to move between web pages throughout a website, we use hyperlinks. To see the websites, we need a special kind of software. That software we known as web browser. And there is a unique web address for all the websites in the World Wide Web. And this address is known as Uniform Resource Locator or the URL. Mobile computing meaning the communication technology which we used in mobile communication. This mobile computing is used for audio-visual data transmission, and this audio-visual data transmission is occurring between computers without using physical connection, which means we use wireless devices or wireless medium for that. For example, we'll be doing the communication using Wi-Fi technology. Mobile computing meaning the communication technology which we used in mobile communication. This mobile computing is used for audio-visual data transmission, and this audio-visual data transmission is occurring between computers without using physical connection, which means we use wireless devices or wireless medium for that. For example, we'll be doing the communication using Wi-Fi technology. Now the last one is cloud computing. All the computer networks and mobile devices. For example, personal computers, which means laptop, tablets, smartphones. So these kind of different devices are integrated over a wireless internet connection to access and storing information anytime in anywhere, which means we'll be considering that we're storing our data in anywhere in this world. We'll be storing anywhere. Anywhere meaning we'll be storing our data in a cloud. Then anytime by using any device we can access this data. So these are the services. Now the last in cloud one computing. Is cloud. First computing. One is infrastructure all as the computer service. Networks and mobile so infrastructure devices. As a service example, meaning personal computers, even though you don't have a server laptop, computer at tablets, home, we can have a space. So or we can have virtual environment integrated over a so throughout the cloud computing, to it's providing the space needed to store data anytime with the help of server computers. Which means we'll be considering platform as a service. Our data, which means it's providing an environment for application development as well as application tools to run in your machine. Will be storing of data software as a service. It's allow users to use software
Then,
applications
anytime
as
by
a
using
service,
any device,
which means
we can
even though you
access
don't
this
have
data.
Office applications, we can get
Now the last
Office
one
applications
is cloud
throughout
computing.
the space. If you're interested to listen my new videos, you can subscribe to my video channel, and also you can press the bell icon.